Today we have the Chevrolet Camaro 2013. This is a specialty order. Of course, I do the non-push start. Check my eBay out, check my Facebook. LCDsmartkey.com is the website. Let's go ahead and get into this eBay return. So, lock. Let me make sure you can see it. Lock. Unlock. Auto start. But I'm sorry, this is trunk. Auto start. And now let's do the on-screen buttons. It's easier for me to turn that thing around. So here we have lock. Here we have unlock. Here we have auto start. Switch it up. Wait. Wait, auto start. And here we have trunk. It's hard to hold the camera and hold this, and you guys know. So auto start. Trunk. Let's do lock. It's unlock actually. And let's do lock. We're all good. Lock. Unlock. Auto start. Trunk. Everything's working. This is another edition from LCDsmartkey.com. This is the Chevrolet Camaro 2013 touchscreen key.
Tesla. Tesla Roadster.